What if I told you that in just 15 minutes you could make a cozy holiday dessert? We're starting with 5 green apples. If you don't have those, feel free to swap with Fuji, Honeycrisp, or Golden Delicious. Slice off the tops and use a spoon or melon baller to carefully scoop out the cores. We're making little apple bowls here, so don't go all the way through, just deep enough to fit our filling. Repeat the same with all the apples, so we end up with a full bunch of apple bowls. Next, place the apples into your air fryer basket. You can arrange them in a circle, triangle, or just cozy them up side by side, whatever fits best. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Give it a quick stir. And it already smells like the holidays. By the way, it's almost Christmas. What's the weather like where you are? Do you have lots of snow or just cold rain? Now, spoon that warm mix into each apple. A little in each one to enough to coat the bottom. Next, slice 2 pats of butter and cut them into little cubes. Drop a cube into each apple. It'll add just the right amount of richness and help everything get perfectly soft and melty as it bakes. And now, the hero of the day, cranberries. Take 3/4 cup of cranberries, dried or fresh, both work great. Spoon them into each apple like piling them up into a little mountain. It should look festive, sweet, and just a little tart. Finally, baking. Carefully move apples into air fryer. Set it to 360 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for 12 minutes. Let the smell build and resist the urge to open it early. And just look at these volcano cranberries. All puffed up, glossy, and bubbling like they're ready to erupt. Golden skins, melted butter, cranberries bubbling. That's pure coziness. Finish it off with a dusting of powdered sugar, like adding a little bit of snow, to set the perfect holiday mood. And basically everything is ready. As a final touch, let's see what's inside. Just look at that melted butter juice, a sweet mix of cinnamon, apple juice, and those sour cranberries. The perfect combo for a cozy little dessert. Anything else to add to this recipe? Drop your ideas in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to see more cozy recipes like this, and see you in the next one.